Okay, another day, another POV.
What's up?
What's up? Saan tayo pupunta?
Ano? Cinemart.
Cinemart. Anong papanoorin mo?
Cinemart.
Cinemart? Anong papanoorin mo?
Odyssey, something.
Odysseus.
Odysseus.
Odysseus. So
Sabi ko
pupunta
Odyssey.
tayong Odysseus ngayon. Alright guys, so nandito na tayo sa anong pangalan yan? Cinemart. Say hi. Ooh. Let's go. So ano? Okay. Let's go. Ano yung tsura? Tama. Okay. Pasok. Okay. So before that, Riley, come here. Let's wash your hands first. Yeah, let's wash your hands first. Okay. Ha? Minions. Where's the CR? Let's wash your hands first, okay? Where's the CR? Oh, nope. No entrance there. Later, we need to pay first. Yeah. Can we use the comfort room? Comfort room.
Are you talking about bathroom?
Yeah,
Or
bathroom.
just the sitting area?
Just to wash her hands.
Okay. We got a family room that's kind of around the corner.
Okay.
There's like restrooms
Restroom.
further down the hall.
Alright, thank you.
Family room has like
Yeah.
a toilet.
Toilet.
It's got the same.
Okay, thank you. Yun guys, hindi ko naintindihan ang sinabi niya. Ito, family room. Okay. Let's go here. Oops, it's locked. It's locked. Huh? Wait. Oh, come here. Oh, wait. Thank you. Okay. Nag-family room sila. Alright. Oh, wash your hands. Here, baby. Yeah, okay. Oh, wash your hands. Your hands is dirty. More. Oh, one more. Okay. Where's the tissue? Oh. Go, more. Okay. Huh? Cell phone? You want to use your phone? Okay. Oh, here's your phone. Okay. Okay, order muna tayo. Anong orderin natin? Pizza Hut?
Pwede na yun.
Hi, ayun.
Daddy,
Coke, yeah. Hi. How are you?
Pretty good. What can I get for you?
Pizza Hut. Do you have sizes or?
It's all.
Okay. Just one.
Would you like pepperoni or cheese pizza?
Pepper? Yeah.
Gotcha. Anything else for you?
Chicken wings? Okay. Chicken wings.
Gotcha. Would you like the 8-piece or 16-piece?
8 piece.
And would you like bone-in or boneless?
Boneless. Huh?
You have this one, you have everything.
Hot dog?
Yeah. I would just have that.
Okay. So you will just
Chicken wings, yeah.
okay. Just cancel the chicken wings and you will have the...
Ayan.
Okay.
Alright, just the hot dog and the pizza?
Yeah.
Ready?
Do you have drinks and drinks?
Yep. You have drinks to go.
Large.
Yeah, 2.
What size would you like?
Ito na lang, di na nauubos.
Ikaw. Sige.
How, 2 of this.
Yeah.
What would you like to drink?
Did you say?
Coke.
What would you like to drink?
Coke. Alright. So, naka-order na tayo.
So what? So what?
Sawan tayo. Doon tayo sa kabila. Naka-order na tayo. Papasok na tayo sa sinehan. Ha? Sinehan. Number 1 daw. Yeah. First. Number 1. First. Buti meron silang family ano dito. Separate yung family bathroom. Ayan, 1. Yeah, come here.
Mura lang tayo, baby.
Pinakaharap daw. Alright. We're here. Okay, saan ba? Hi. Start na tayo.
Pwede natin ninood.
Sige na, nanonood na tayo. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.